to apprise whether they have adhered to the 35% reservation for women which was introduced on 15/2/2016 or not. G. The state has admitted error committed in respect of non-adherence to 35% women reservation by the respective department while forwarding the material information.
Already appointments have been made, the persons are working. Lords, 64 such persons who are working, Lords, have to be removed in order to, Lords, include 64. Lords, ultimately this...
Sir, why the contempt proceeding shall be stalled? Just because you have filed a LPA?
No, but Lords, this
Next week.
Lords, then let some more time, because ultimately it is, I would not have
Some
made
more time
clear.
means 31st.
No, not 31st.
Indirectly you are asking.
No, I am not saying till 31st. Even we Lords, some more time, because
No,
of 64 we Lords have to be ousted.
Sorry, Mr. Yes.
At least 10 days we Lords.
Sir, it is a glaring mistake in not following 35% women reservation.
We Lords, in fact, because that...
Order, you are compelled to face the contempt.
No, but we Lords, only I am praying for 31st. We Lords, immediately...
No, how the time can be extended in contempt matter?
No, my lords, because earlier the sleep, my lords, for early hearing was accepted, but the matter could not be. Then again, my lord, a motion was made, and now this time the honble division bench has...
Sorry, sir, subject to outcome of LPA, you implement.
My lords, here what will have order, then whatever the consequences may be, 64 or 164, they have to be ousted, they will be ousted.
Sir, sorry, we can't. Yes, take down. On 28/7/2000.
May please your lordships. My lords, for showing the gross contempt that the contemners have committed, I would request my lord to kindly come to the writ order dated 17th of May 22 at page 10 of the contempt petition. In the present case, from time to time, various orders were passed asking the state respondents to apprise whether they have adhered to the 35% reservation for women which was introduced on 15/2/2016 or not. On the last occasion, from paragraph number 10 of the counter statement affidavit was pointed out to the London State Council to get instructions as to whether the statement made in paragraph number 10 is in compliance to the 35% women reservation for the purpose of selection and appointment to the post of assistant engineers in various departments or not. Further, Under Secretary GAD Mr. So-and-so was asked to appear since he had sworn the counter affidavit. It is learned that the state has filed additional supplementary counter affidavit. In the additional supplementary counter affidavit, in particularly annexure G, the state has admitted error committed in respect of non-adherence to 35% women reservation by the respective department while forwarding the material information to Government Commission, meaning thereby BPSC, to fill up the assistant engineer's post. In the light of such admission...
Now, what happened to the LPA?
That is still
Lords,
pending, my lords.
Lords, that date has been fixed for hearing on 31st of August. Lords, thrice it was mentioned yesterday when...
No, if there is no interim order, you are compelled to face the contempt.
No, but Lords, only I am praying for 31st. Lords, immediately...
No, how the time can be extended in contempt matter?
No, Lords, because earlier the sleep, Lords, for early hearing was accepted, but the matter could not be. Then again, my lord, a motion was made, and now this time the honble division bench has...
Sorry, sir, subject to outcome of LPA, you implement.
My lords, here what will happen, that, my lords, already appointments have been made, the persons are working. My lords, 64 such persons who are working, my lords, have to be removed in order to, my lords, include 64. So,
sir, to accommodate one, you can't oust 64. You create a supernumerary post and appoint.
No, my lords, that because of that...
If you have any difficulty...
My lords, that in order to include the one petitioner, 64s have to be included. So therefore, in order to include 64, 64s are required to be...
Other 63 persons are not before this court.
But my lords, they are...
Pass a condition order.
but they, my lords, they will fall within that, because ultimately, my lords, that depends upon the marks and this roster point. So they will come within that zone
Sorry,
of
sir,
consideration.
this court cannot wait for LPA decision.
So, my lords, only
You have
last,
to implement, no.
so last prayer, my lord, is that on 31st it will be, my lords may fix any date
Sir,
after.
why should they, on basis of LPA pendency, this contempt proceeding is to be deferred?
But my lords, no, my lords, because ultimately still the writ application is pending. Now, that, my lords, ultimately this.
Sir, why the contempt proceeding shall be stalled? Just
But-
because you have filed a LPA?
No, but my lords, even this writ application is pending.
Huh.
So ultimately, my lords, they, in order to include, my lords, some have to be, so that will take some time. Therefore, I say,
You can't take years together.
no, I am not praying.
Sir, you have, see the order sheet.
Yes, my lords, only prayer is for 31st. I am not making a prayer for 31st. If suppose, my lords, I can't get any interim order, then whatever the consequences may be 64 or 164, they have to be ousted, they will be
Sorry,
ousted.
sir, sorry, we can't. Yes, take down. On 28/7/2022,
listed along with the writ petition, writ is being.
the Land Council for the state submitted on instruction that state has preferred a LPA and it is pending consideration. It is also noticed that
309 up to.
there is no interim order. Full stop. Today, Land Advocate General submitted that LPA filed on behalf of the state is fixed on 31st August 2022. Therefore, requested for adjourning this matter and for compliance of the order dated 17/5/2022. The same is hereby rejected. Full stop. Order dated 17/5/2022 be complied within a 1 week from today, failing which the concerned respondent is hereby directed to pay a cost of rupees 25,000 in the High Court Legal Service Authority for non-compliance of the order dated 17/5/2022. List this matter next week.
Lords, then let some more time, because ultimately it is, I would not have
Some
made
more time
prayer.
means 31st.
No, not 31st.
Indirectly you are asking.
No, I am not saying till 31st. Even, my lords, some more time, because
No.
because
Sorry.
of 64, my lords, have to be ousted.
Sorry, Mr. Yes.
So at least 10 days, my lords.
Sir, it is a glaring mistake in not following 35% women reservation.
My lords, in fact,
And they are
because
admitted in
that,
supplementary
no, that,
matter. They are
because that
admitted.
writ is pending and there is an order, therefore I am not arguing on merit. I am aware of the